In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the ERR connection reset error in Google Chrome. Encountering this error can be frustrating, but don't worry, we'll walk through a few simple steps that might help you solve this issue. First things first, let's check your internet connection. One of the most common reasons for this error is a disrupted or weak internet connection. To ensure that this isn't the problem, perform a quick check on your Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi is working properly and see if your Ethernet cable is securely plugged in. A loose connection or a faulty wire could easily defend connectivity issues, so be sure to verify these points. To confirm that your network isn't the cause of the problem, try visiting another website like YouTube or Google. If these sites load without any hiccups, your internet connection is likely not to blame. Next, let's try using incognito mode. This useful feature allows you to browse without saving any browsing data, such as history or cookies, and can help determine if an extension or buildup of cache is causing the problem. To open an incognito window, simply press Ctrl+Shift+N on your keyboard. Once you have incognito mode open, try accessing the same troublesome site again. If it loads without any issues, it's a good indicator that a browser extension or perhaps corrupted cache data is the culprit. If incognito mode hints at a cache or extension issue, you'll want to clear your browser's data to resolve the error. Over time, old or damaged data can accumulate in your browser, which may obstruct its ability to load pages correctly. To clear this data, open your browser settings, usually found by clicking on the three dots in the upper right corner of Chrome. Navigate to More Tools and then select Clear Browsing Data. Here you can choose to delete browsing history, cookies, and cached images and files. Make sure to select all these options for a thorough cleanup, then hit Clear Data. Following these steps should address the ERR connection reset error. But remember, troubleshooting can sometimes be an iterative process. If the issue persists, even after completing these steps, consider reviewing other possible causes like antivirus settings or the configuration of your network devices. Furthermore, contacting your internet service provider might shed light on any ongoing network disruptions. By paying attention to your internet connection, using incognito mode to pinpoint potential issues, and maintaining clean browser data, you can tackle the ERR connection reset error like a pro. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide helps restore your Chrome browsing experience back to normal.